What's up, y'all? It's your girl Caitlin, back at it again with another mother freaking video. Oh, how about that? Today, as you can see by the wonderful title, I am gonna be reacting to Miss Queen mother freaking Naija. You feel me? This girl that made it to the Soul Train Awards, y'all. Like, just think about it. We was just literally watching her. If you watch her videos and was part of the C&Q Mafia, like, this girl really didn't made it up. Like, I'm talking about, I remember when I was in high school watching them. Like, I feel like I didn't like kind of grew up with her or something. Like, damn. But anyways, we are going to be reacting. Well, I am. Y'all can react with me. Let me know what y'all think about the video, all this stuff in the comments below. But y'all are gonna be watching me react to Miss Queen Naija's performance at the Soul Train Awards. I didn't watch the awards because I ain't got cable. So let's go ahead on and get into this video because I'm talking out my neck. Alright, let's go.
Check my phone, chills when I saw your name. Used to talk all night long, now things are not the same. I used to lay in your bed, you used to play in my hair. We were the best of friends, I'm second guessing this now. I just question myself, oh yeah. I don't get that good morning text, oh I don't get.
Girl, this girl look freaking beautiful. Like, did y'all freaking see that light just hit her like that? Queen. Girl, you can't. Girl, you gonna make me freaking cry. Like, oh. Okay. I'm sorry, we gotta start this video over. I'm sorry. Girl.
Check my phone, chills when I saw your name. Used to talk all night long, now things are not the same. I used to lay in your bed, you used to play in my hair. We were the best of friends, I'm second guessing this now. I just question myself, oh yeah. I don't get that good morning text, oh I don't get no kiss when I walk by the. Baby, we were so deep in love, what happened? Guess all I really wanna know is, do I love you? Do you love me?
Oh, Queen. Girl.
Do you still love me? Do I love you more? Do you love me?
Queen looks so freaking pretty. Girl, Queen looks so freaking gorgeous. Like, this white, this little shimmery stuff on her titties, to this long freaking hair. Like, shorty, I see you a good morning text. What's good? What's good, boo? What's good? Like, I'm so freaking like, I cannot believe this. Like, Queen. Girl. And you know what? I'm dead ass kind of emotional right now because I remember like really watching Queen when she was, you know, like in the beginning of, you know, times, you know, when they was in Detroit and all that junk. Like, I remember that. Like, I remember all that stuff. Like this crazy, and to like see her go from that and being on this stage, that is, hold on y'all, she in the bathroom and I'm recording the video right now.
She recording the video?
I'm recording the video, Uncle Joe.
Alright.
So anyways, dang, the screen done locked on me. And I know y'all that's watching this, well, if y'all are fans of Queen, some of y'all come from YouTube, like watching Queen from when they was on the little red leather couch in the apartment, like all that junk. I remember all that. Like, this junk crazy. And to see her right here, this girl has come so freaking far. It really make me emotional. Like, it's like, cause I'm so happy for her. Like, I'm so yes, yes, Queen. Do it, boo. Do it. Do it, boo. You doing it, baby. I see you, baby. I see you, girl. Okay, let's get back to it. Sorry, y'all.
Do you still love me? I wanna know. Do I love you more? 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 I be up late reminiscing.
Uh-oh.
Never had to beg for your attention. Gotta do the most for a mention. When we make love, only time you say you miss it. Yeah, I try so hard to ignore my heart. Thought it was all in my mind, but you know my intuition never lies. Cause I don't get that good morning text. I don't get no kiss when I walk out the baby, we were so deep in love. What happened to us? Yes, all I really wanna know is
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not feeling the dancers, but you know it's cool. I guess it's alright. You know, go ahead. Cause to be honest, Queen not really like, to me she not really the dancing type. She not like I just can't see no dancers behind her, but you know, okay, because I guess it could be okay because Queen don't move as much, so it's kind of good to have some kind of movement going on behind her. I don't know. Go off, sis.
love me, cause do you still love me? I wanna know. Do I love you more? Do you love me? Cause it was way better before. Do you still love me? I wanna know. Do I love you more? 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 I miss the old you and I miss the old us. Can we get that back? Am I asking too much? I miss the old you and I miss the old us. Can we get that back? Am I asking?
Okay. I cannot stress this enough. How good she freaking looks. Like, whoever did this is bomb. Like, whoever did this look is really bomb to me. Like, I'm really feeling this, like, a lot. Like, the whole look, her hair, the makeup, the outfit, the bustier. I'm loving it all. Like, she killing this. Like, especially to say that, to me, this is one of her biggest performances, to be honest with you. And I seen on Instagram that she's supposed to be performing at a basketball game. She's singing the national anthem. It's like she back to back. Like, thank you, Lord, for the blessings. The blessings. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is really, really, really good. Like, and the attitude, the reminiscing, and never had to beg for your attention or whatever she said. Like, the attitude, I'm feeling it. Especially to say this is like one of her biggest performances. This is a huge award. Soul Train Awards is a huge thing. You know, it's big. And she's killing it. Like, I'm so proud. Like, I'm so freaking happy. Like, I have joy for her. Like, joy, pure, genuine joy. Like, I'm so freaking happy for her.
Too much. Do I love you more? It was way better. Do I love you? Do I love you more? Do I love you more? Do I love you? I wanna know.
Ooh. Okay, don't nobody want to hear that. Okay. So this was like really good. Like, I'm so freaking like, I'm so happy for her. Yeah, I personally feel like she should get a vocal coach, and all that stuff. Which I'm sure she probably is working on that and doing that. If you are singing, you watching this, and you know how to sing, it does not hurt to develop your talent. And when somebody's saying get a vocal coach or anything, that's not nothing bad. What I'm saying is, I feel like if she get a vocal coach, she could really kill it. Like, to develop her voice. Like, look at Whitney Houston. Whitney Houston was doing vocal lessons and doing different things so she can develop her voice and make her voice stronger. And I feel like Queen, if she get one of those and be working with them, like, she will kill it. Like, kill it. Her voice is so good. Like, it's so pure. She has her own unique sound. Other than that, like, Queen, like, I really believe she's a legend in the making. Like, she can really do big things. Like, really big things. Like, she already doing big things, but I feel like I'm recording. On that note, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Queen, you did such an amazing job, girl. Keep it up. Keep doing what you was doing. You feel me? Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please be on the lookout for more videos every Friday and Saturday at 1 p.m. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and if you're feeling extra generous, please leave a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Do not be afraid to subscribe or like this video, okay? Even if you don't subscribe, I love you anyways. But I'm gonna go ahead on and check out. I love you, like I said. B-E-Z, breezy, beautiful. You feel me? All right.